week 5. I'm going to give you a brief introductory on how to use a spreadsheet in Excel. Spreadsheet is a great tool for adding the total of a series of items. So the first thing I want to tell you about is where you see the capital A that represents columns or a column, and on the far left where you see the number that represents rows or row 1, a row. So each cell has a unique address, and if we click in the first cell, it's A1 based on the column and the row. In this cell, we're in cell D10. So I may say click in cell J3 and you'll go to J3. So the first thing I want to show you is we have different tab menus: Home, Insert, Data, Review, View. In the Home tab, we see some of the same features we've seen in Word and PowerPoint, where we have Merge Center, Wrap Text, the number, tables, cells, and editing. So the first thing I want to show you is how to key data within a spreadsheet. So we're going to click in cell A1 and we're going to type the word items. We're going to click in B1 and we're going to type the word cost. So now we're going to list a few items. So the scenario is your boss comes in and tells you to type the items that you've purchased in a spreadsheet and give me the total. So the first item we had to purchase was for printing. So we had to print multiple flyers to stuff within an envelope and to put postage on them to mail out for the grand opening. So for printing, it was $80. So in B2, we type 80.00. So now we click in A3 and we're going to type postage. And we click in B4, then we click in B3 and we're going to type 55.25. So now we click in A4 and we're going to type envelopes. And we're going to click in B4 and we're going to type in the amount 42.05. We didn't have to purchase any other items. So now we're going to say total and we're going to click in B5. So to get the total, we're going to use a formula. And we're going to come up and click on the auto sum, drop down arrow, and we're going to click on sum. We're going to press enter, and it'll give us the total for the different products that we purchased. One thing I want to show you is, in order to create a formula, you have to do the equal sign and sum. Open the parentheses, B2 through B4, which is a series of cells to give us our total. Now, we're going to click on the B, and it highlights the entire column. If we click on the row, it'll highlight the entire row. So we're going to click on B to highlight the entire column. And we're going to select, in the number section, we're going to select a specific format. And we want currency. We're going to, in order to highlight multiple cells, you have to click in cell A1, hold your left click, and you're just going to drag it to column B. We're going to bold, and we're going to center the headings. And we're going to bold our total in A5. And this is just a simple assignment of how to create a spreadsheet.